Welcome to Giridih, a scenic and lesser-known city in Jharkhand, India. Nestled in the Hazaribagh Plateau, Giridih is surrounded by lush greenery and hilly terrain, making it a serene destination for nature lovers. Join us as we unveil the secrets of this hidden gem, exploring its rich tapestry of nature, culture, and spirituality. Giridih is cradled in the northeastern part of Jharkhand, a state in eastern India known for its tribal culture and rich mineral resources. Located approximately 100 kilometers north of Ranchi, the state capital, Giridih sits at the heart of the Chotanagpur Plateau. This region, shaped by millennia of geological activity, is a treasure trove for those who appreciate the raw beauty of nature. The city itself is like an emerald nestled amongst the undulating hills, its edges fringed by the sal forests that are characteristic of this region. Giridih's story is intricately woven with the lives of the indigenous tribes who have called this land home for centuries. The Santhals, known for their vibrant culture and deep connection to the land, have left an indelible mark on Giridih. Their traditional dances, passed down through generations, tell tales of hunts, harvests, and the spirits that inhabit the forests. Over the centuries, Giridih witnessed the rise and fall of dynasties, each leaving behind subtle traces of their presence. Giridih holds a special place in the hearts of Jains, followers of an ancient Indian religion that preaches non-violence, self-discipline, and spiritual liberation. The Parasnath Hills, named after Lord Parasnath, the 23rd Tirthankara of Jainism, are believed to be the place where he attained nirvana. Pilgrims ascend the slopes of the Parasnath Hills, their footsteps echoing the countless others who have embarked on this spiritual quest over the centuries. The journey is not just a physical climb, but a deeply spiritual experience filled with moments of reflection and devotion. The hills are dotted with numerous temples and shrines, each holding its own significance and stories. These sacred sites serve as a reminder of the rich spiritual heritage that has been preserved through generations. At the summit stands the Parasnath Temple, a beacon of faith and a testament to the enduring power of belief. The temple complex is a marvel of architecture, adorned with intricate carvings and symbols that reflect the profound teachings of Jainism. The serene environment of the hills provides a perfect setting for meditation and introspection. Many Jain monks and nuns choose this tranquil place to practice their ascetic lifestyle, seeking spiritual enlightenment. Giridih's spiritual significance extends beyond Jainism. It is a city where different faiths coexist harmoniously, each contributing to the rich cultural tapestry of the region. The city is home to various religious sites, including Hindu temples, Muslim mosques, and Christian churches, all standing as symbols of unity and mutual respect. This harmonious coexistence of different faiths is a testament to the inclusive spirit of Giridih, where people from diverse backgrounds come together to celebrate their shared humanity. The spiritual and cultural significance of Giridih is not just confined to its religious sites, but is also reflected in the daily lives of its people, who live in harmony and mutual respect. As you explore Giridih, you will find that the city's essence lies in its ability to blend the old with the new, the spiritual with the mundane, creating a unique and enriching experience for all who visit. Truly, Giridih is a place where the past and present coexist, offering a glimpse into the timeless traditions and enduring faiths that continue to shape its identity. Giridih offers a sanctuary for the soul and a feast for the senses. The crown jewel of Giridih's tourism is undoubtedly the Parasnath Hills. The Parasnath Temple complex, a cluster of exquisitely carved Jain temples, is a sight to behold. For those seeking solace in nature, Usri Falls is a must-visit, especially during the monsoon season. Gautam Stan, believed to be where Gautama Buddha once meditated, invites visitors to pause and reflect. Giridih Falls, with its picturesque waterfall, creates a mesmerizing spectacle and a soothing melody. Giridih's economy is a blend of traditional practices and emerging industries. Agriculture forms the bedrock of Giridih's economy, with fields of rice, maize, and vegetables. Beneath the surface lies a treasure trove of minerals, including mica, which has been mined for centuries. The city is diversifying its economy with a focus on small-scale industries and handicrafts. Skilled artisans create exquisite wooden items, bamboo products, and handloom textiles, reflecting the cultural heritage of the region. Giridih experiences a tropical climate, subject to the whims of the monsoon. The region's weather is characterized by distinct seasons, each bringing its own set of experiences and challenges. The climate here is a blend of extremes, with each season painting a different picture of the landscape. Summer, from March to June, sends temperatures soaring above 40 degrees Celsius. The heat can be intense, making daily life a challenge for the residents. Streets shimmer under the blazing sun, and the air is thick with humidity. People seek refuge in the shade, and the markets are bustling with vendors selling cool drinks and fresh fruits to beat the heat. The arrival of the monsoon in late June or early July brings life-giving rain to the region. The parched earth drinks deeply, and the landscape transforms into a lush green paradise. Rivers swell and waterfalls cascade with renewed vigor. The monsoon is a time of rejuvenation, but it also brings challenges like flooding and waterlogging in some areas. Winter, from November to February, brings a welcome respite from the heat, with temperatures dropping to a pleasant 5 to 7 degrees Celsius. The mornings are often foggy and the air is crisp and refreshing. It's a time for warm clothing, hot beverages and cozy gatherings. The winter season is a favorite for many, offering a break from the relentless heat of the summer. Spring, from February to March, is a time of renewal, with flowers in a riot of colors painting the landscape. The air is filled with the fragrance of blooming flowers, and the gardens are a sight to behold. It's a season of hope and new beginnings as nature awakens from its winter slumber. The mild temperatures and vibrant scenery make spring a delightful time to be in Giridih. Each season in Giridih has its own unique character, adding to the charm of this beautiful city. From the scorching heat of summer to the refreshing rains of the monsoon, the crisp winter mornings and the colorful blooms of spring, Giridih's climate is a testament to the beauty and diversity of nature. The changing seasons not only shape the environment but also influence the way of life for the people who call this place home. Despite its remote location, Giridih is well connected to the outside world. A network of state highways and local roads connects Giridih to major cities in Jharkhand. Giridih Junction, the city's railway station, provides a vital link to the outside world. Ranchi's Birsa Munda Airport, located approximately 100 kilometers away, serves as the nearest air hub. Giridih's cultural tapestry is a vibrant blend of Bihari and Jharkhandi influences. The city comes alive during festivals, each one a riot of colors, music and dance. Diwali, Holi and Makar Sankranti are celebrated with great fervor. Durga Puja is celebrated with grand processions and elaborate idols. Mahaparv, a Jain festival dedicated to Lord Parasnath, attracts devotees from all over India and beyond. Giridih's culinary landscape is a delightful fusion of Bihari and Jharkhandi flavors. Rice dal and a variety of vegetable preparations form the cornerstone of many meals. Litti chokha, a dish that embodies the essence of Jharkhandi cuisine, is a must-try. Thakua, a deep-fried sweet treat, is another local favorite. Dishes made with wild mushrooms, bamboo shoots and local herbs offer a unique culinary adventure. Giridih is blessed with an abundance of natural beauty. Its landscapes a testament to the delicate balance of nature. The region is renowned for its picturesque hills and valleys, which offer a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of urban life. The lush greenery and pristine environment make it a haven for nature lovers and adventurers alike. The natural beauty of Giridih is not just a visual treat but also a vital part of the local ecosystem, supporting a wide range of plant and animal life. The forests are home to a rich diversity of flora and fauna, including deer, wild boar and a plethora of bird species. These forests are not only crucial for maintaining biodiversity, but also play a significant role in regulating the climate and providing clean air and water. The dense canopy and undergrowth offer a sanctuary for countless species, making Giridih a biodiversity hotspot. The presence of such diverse wildlife is a testament to the health and vitality of these forests. However, Giridih's environment faces challenges from deforestation, mining activities and urbanization. These activities threaten the delicate balance of the ecosystem, leading to habitat loss and environmental degradation. Deforestation in particular has a devastating impact, as it not only destroys the habitat of countless species but also contributes to climate change. Mining activities further exacerbate the problem by polluting water sources and degrading the soil. Urbanization encroaches on natural areas, reducing the space available for wildlife and disrupting ecological processes. Local communities are actively involved in protecting the forests, understanding that their livelihoods depend on the health of the ecosystem. They participate in various conservation activities such as reforestation and sustainable land management practices. Community meetings and awareness programs are regularly held to educate people about the importance of environmental protection. These efforts are crucial in fostering a sense of responsibility and stewardship among the residents, ensuring that the natural resources are preserved for future generations. Conservation efforts aim to restore the balance, ensuring that Giridih's natural beauty continues to inspire and rejuvenate generations to come. These projects focus on restoring degraded lands, protecting existing forests, and promoting sustainable practices. The success of these initiatives is evident in the scenic views of restored natural areas, which stand as a testament to the resilience of nature and the dedication of the local communities. By working together, the people of Giridih are paving the way for a sustainable and prosperous future. Giridih offers a unique blend of natural beauty, religious significance, and cultural richness. From the spiritual aura of the Parasnath Hills to the tranquil beauty of its waterfalls, Giridih has something to offer every traveler. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Giridih. We hope you enjoyed discovering this hidden gem of Jharkhand.